So the future of BIM, and I'll split mine into two answers. The future of BIM is really in the hands of the owners and the architects. I mean, the utopia is that the owner would hire a design team of architects, engineers, and the constructor. Hopefully they do a nice IPD design build team, and they do something a bit utopian, right? And everyone's actually sharing information. So that in the future, we actually all agree to get along. We all agree to work off one model. And then we have BIM servers that actually host that model. And when you go to bid on that project and you have people come in, they don't access a plan room, they get access to that model server. They conduct all of the quantity takeoff reports, right, that they need to get out of it. They can view any of the data they need to view. They can manipulate the model in 3 dimensions and then submit and report the proposal back to the contractor and then of course submit to the owner. And so that's really the future is real-time collaboration of a unified model that everyone would have access to manage, update, and manipulate in real time, and then do all of their bidding off of it. And then as they complete objects, updating the status that real-time % complete, and then updating the model when they're done in a real-time and an accurate as-built in the end. Right? So the technology's all there for the future of BIM. The tech's already there. It's really about people allowing that tech to be used fully in their contracts and their process. In my presentation, I showed you guys the next step, of course, is rendering that BIM data through better viewers, and that's where augmented reality comes into play, and the ability to use glasses and contact lenses and mobile devices to be able to visualize and render objects on the job site during construction. So while you're building something, you can see it in parallel or overlaid with what it's supposed to look like when it looks like now. Certainly that takes BIM into the field in a way that's way more real than it is right now.